Hey Alex, do you have any toolkits around? I keep having issues on the trail and I need to fix some of my stuff on the go.
Sure do. In fact, pulling out this toolkit, I was talking to a customer about this. So this is Super ATV's new toolkit that they have for their ATVs and UTVs. It's got everything you're gonna need from wrenches, sockets, pliers, hammer, you name it.
Is this how compact it is?
Yes. So once all the tools are in it, it folds up to this compact size and you can put it in any storage compartment in any unit.
So what happens if I get a flat tire? I need something on the go.
I got just the thing for you. How about a portable air compressor? You can digitally put in what PSI you want to set it to and walk away and let it do its work.
So what do I do with this? Do I have to plug it in? How do I get this charging my tire back up?
Fully portable air compressor. You can charge it via USB. You can also charge your phone off of that, where you just hook it up to your tire, set your tire pressure, and click the start button, and it goes ahead and charges it right up to whatever PSI you set it to. Come on out to Nielsen Enterprises. Check out all the stocking stuffers we have here for all your on-trail needs.